Hi guys, I'm so gutted because yeah, the aura that I've had for ages and I really liked, I just fell off the wall. So it's broken. So it was like when I had my In-Betweeners cup that smashed. So yeah, it just seems to be the sort of bad luck that I have if I don't have cracked screens with technology. It's stuff breaking or tripping over things. So yeah, that's absolutely gutted, guys. And yeah, I've had it like a long time. So yeah, mishap. It I don't know. There's must be somebody that's got bad fate for me or something because this happens quite often. Yeah, obviously, like I said, breaking things um, or technology fails on me or I get expensive technology and it's got like cracked screens or stuff like that. So yeah, mm, so honestly, it's one thing after another. Um, yeah, because it came off the wall. So yeah, are we fit the R sort of thing? Yeah, not happy, guys. Not happy. Bye for now.